Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your Oceania Cruise experts, and today I have the great pleasure of being on board the beautiful Oceania Vista. This particular room is one of the French verandas. It's an entry-level stateroom here on board. You can see it's quite exquisite for an entry-level room. Now I'm going to take you through the space in just a moment, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this beautiful room or any room or suite with Oceania, Regent, or Norwegian Cruise Lines, make sure you reach out to the experts at Harr Travel or book it right on harrtravel.com. We know we can help craft your cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way. Now, Oceania is going to come with quite a few inclusions, but to me, it's the service and the incredible food that's all about. Now, their tagline of the finest cuisine at sea truly delivers time and time again, whether it's delicious specialty restaurants, the grand dining room, or ordering room service right here in your veranda. Now let's tour this beautiful room. When you walk in the door, immediately to the right, you're going to have the bathroom. Now, as I step inside, you'll see it's a really nice space. So you've got storage on the side, you've got a mirror here with storage just behind, drawers as well, and a nice large vanity. You've got storage down below with the drawers and storage over to the side, and you'll also find the first glimpse of those highly upgraded Bulgari bath amenities. You've got a large backlit mirror, and you can already see this is quite a bit bigger than what you're going to find on their competitors. They really do an awesome job with this space. Now, as I step inside the shower, I'm a big guy, I'm 6'6". I fit just fine in here. You've got a nook for your Bulgari bath amenities, clothesline that comes across, large rainfall shower head up above, in addition to the adjustable shower wand and a step to the side. Now, I wanted to point out you've got your temperature control. You can also click Do Not Disturb or Makeup Room. You can also connect that to your phone or personal device so you can control that from anywhere in the room. You've got a floor-to-ceiling mirror to get ready. Here you'll find your primary storage. It goes all the way across here. Hanging storage up above, that'll pull down for a bit more. Those extra comfy bathrobes and slippers, a golf umbrella that you can use on board, shelf up above, and also a floor-to-ceiling mirror here to complement. Continuing in, you've got your stocked mini fridge underneath. Now, Oceania always includes sodas, water. You can see that you have your Vero water here. They'll replenish as you'd like with still or sparkling water. You also can take the water bottles, use them anywhere around the ship. They have refill stations. Take them ashore or home with you. Up above, you're going to find your safe. It's a full laptop size safe. You also have shelves for storage. And as we continue along, you're going to find one of my favorite features. That's that Tranquility Bed. It's extra comfortable. You've got upgraded pillows, mattress, and linens. They can split the bed into two if that's your preference. Either way, there's plenty of space underneath the bed to tuck your large bags away. You've got nightstands on either side with drawers. You also are going to find that you have a reading lamp and a US plug, USB, and USB-C charger on either side of the bed. Directly across, you'll find a large flat panel TV. It's fully interactive, so you can see what's going on throughout the ship, in addition to watching television or your favorite movies on demand. Now, you will have some Wi-Fi inclusions as part of your cruise, and then as we continue further along, you've got a nice love seat here with a table just in front. You can have a nice cup of coffee or tea here in the morning. Of course, you can also take advantage of that 24-hour room service menu. Directly across, you're going to find your writing desk that doubles as a vanity. You've got storage up and down with the drawers. You'll also find a nice large backlit mirror. In addition to more plugs, you'll have 2 more USBs, 2 more USB-Cs, along with additional 2 US plugs and a European plug. Now, one of the signatures of this room is, of course, the French veranda. This is the only category on the ship that doesn't have a step-out veranda. I do love, in comparison to the Riviera and the Marina previously, instead of just having the window, you can open it up and get that fresh ocean air. Now, keep in mind, if you want to upgrade to one of the larger verandas where you can step out or go all the way up to one of the incredible suites here on board, make sure you check those out on our channel, in addition to watching the full ship tour. Now, when you're ready to book this beautiful room or any room or suite with Oceania, Regent, or Norwegian Cruise Lines, make sure you reach out to the experts at Harr Travel. We know the spaces inside and out and have an incredible relationship with the cruise lines, and we know we can help craft your cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way.